Hello everyone to another video. I am Shahadat from SHADAT'S. Today's video is very important for iPhone user. Yesterday iOS 13.1 beta globally released by Apple. Yesterday I got new software update iOS 13.1 my iPhone XR, iOS 13.1 around 2 GB, iOS 13.1 generally fix some bugs, iOS 13. So let's download and install iOS 13.1 beta. iOS 13.1 also available Apple device, for example iPhone X, iPhone XR, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max and 2019 iPhone. Finally, I complete my iOS 13.1 beta update. After complete the update, iOS 13.1 beta phone very fast before, and I hope all bugs are fixed on this update. And today video about is iOS 13.1 beta. I hope you like this video and please like and share, subscribe. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.